afternoon. Now I'm saying good afternoon because I always start these videos with good morning. You might not be watching in the morning. We tend to film them in the morning because I think I've got a bit more energy. I just wanted to show you our latest colour pack, which is this one, which is in the fabulous Bellissima and Bambino from Stylecraft. It's a multi-ended acrylic which is just gorgeous to use. You can't maybe not be able to see it so much on here, but because it's multi-ended, it's got that real roundness that you often see in a merino, but it is an acrylic, so it's perfect for blankets because it's economical, goes such a long way, and it's machine washable as well, and it's even tumble dryable. So I've made this, which we've called the button box blanket because it reminded Lucy in particular of her grandma's button box. So, and we did have an idea of putting buttons on the end of it, but I haven't done it yet, so I might do. You can tell I've made this one because there's some really attractive golden retriever and border collie dog hair in it as well. So this is the button box. I think I made this. I made it over winter. Say it's made in the Bellissima and then a ball of the Bambino, which is a really similar baby yarn from Stylecraft. So you can see they're both multi-ended acrylics. I suppose it's got my very typical colours in there because I know I do have a range of colours that I like. There's a Jasper hair. Really easy shell stitch, but what I've done, I've altered, rather than do a whole base row for the shell stitch and then the shell stitch in the same colour, I've alternated on some different ones just to give it that real pop. I must say I do love this blanket. It feels really squishy, and if you look, it's a decent size as well because I really dislike having a blanket but I can't get my legs under it on the sofa. The border is a bit of every colour and just a really easy double crochet and chain border, and I just love this. It took me about 3.5 weeks to make, but remember, these things aren't a race. So that's it, that's our latest colour pack, the button box.